Da-na-na-na! Zaza and Chelly!
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Right now, Mama Chelly is in the washroom. But guess what? She's going to hide a Tinkerbox. Remember last time in the face challenge where I told you guys that we're going to be doing another Tinkerbox, and I'm pretty sure you guys enjoyed the last video of us making a Tinker pulley. So we hope you enjoyed this video.
Where'd you hide it? Where'd she hide it? Did she hide it under my bed? I don't see anything. I'm trying to get a good view of under my bed. It looks really ugly. Is it behind you? No. Are you sitting on it or something? Do you know where... Wait. She hid it on one of these? Oh, wait. Oh, that's for just my plushies. Wait, is it in here?
You're cool.
Where is it? Tell me where it is. Okay, let's look in here. Huh? Okay. Where is it? How can it be here? Wait. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Ow, that hurts my ears.
Okay, where's my scissors?
I was gonna do
My-
this
oh.
in the middle. Thank you.
Scissor protect. You never hold a scissor like this. Hold it like this. Scissor protection required. Ding ding. My pillow.
Open it. Open.
Mom.
I don't know. Is that what I did last time?
Yeah, I think so.
Tinker sign. So for you.
This is a tiny little booklet that will literally help you to find things around your home to make your own pendulum.
Or after you made this, you could also make other ones.
Yeah. I want a sip of your hot cocoa. Wait, the butterfly effect. Here you go. By the way, that's a booklet.
was your life? Look at this. Do you see a trace of light? They can see it. They can see it.
Oh, I can see it now.
Do you see a trace of green light? Let me know in the comments if you don't. This is a glowing pendulum. Let Mama Chelly try. It just stayed. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is the best thing ever.
This is even better.
Oh my goodness.
Like,
wait.
this is...
I need to make a heart for my best friend. And you guys might know who that is, since you guys are in the same class as me. Oh my gosh, I need to write my name. That's supposed to be a Z, right? And then A, right? And then Z, and A. Look at this. This is so, like, foolish. And now we focus on the all amazing Mama.
Hi!
Okay. I think that's where we're gonna wait.
Oh, yeah, in the light.
Lights, camera, action. That's the saying. So, I think that's where we're gonna end this video with our cat on our sides, and
That's Mr. Omi. Anyway.
and if you didn't, if you didn't have fun, why'd you watch this video?
Of course they had fun.
Anyway, so that's where we're gonna end the video right here, and make sure you slap that subscribe button that is gonna appear right now. Bam! Yeah, and then we're gonna show a link right there.
Or maybe right there.
Mom, you have to like get out of the scene so that the video can pop out.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
It'll just replace me.
So the video is gonna pop out in 3, 2, 1, pow! It's right there. You can check out that video right now. And if you don't,
I just have no words.
but you can check out the 2 videos here and there if you want to. There's one Roblox video right here, and there are other pulley, and in another video we're gonna put the other ones. So we hope you like this video and make sure to subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Have fun,
and stay fly. Zaza and Shelly. This is Shelly, by the way, and this is Zaza. If you didn't know. Bye.
Did you erase it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Welcome back, guys.
You love saying welcome back, eh? You love saying
Okay.
welcome back.
Okay, we should put this in the bloopers.
Sure. Okay.